everyone, it's Lucas and it is time for another Loot Crate video. Um, as you all know, I do my Loot Crate videos every month, obviously, and this month's theme is Console Wars, and I am super duper excited because, I'm sure you all have heard of the PS4 and the Xbox One that came out both at the same time, so there is going to be one side of people who love the PlayStation 4, and the other side is going to be the Xbox One lovers. So I myself, I love both of them, but I'm an Xbox girl, definitely. I play a little bit of both, but I would have to say that Xbox is probably better for me. I don't know. I haven't really played the new ones yet, so if you've played them, just let me know down below because I want to know how each one is. I've seen the controllers already and they look pretty darn cool. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to talk about my new Loot Crate box, which I've gotten. It is December. There is 2 more days until Christmas. Merry early Christmas to you guys. So I really want to see what's inside this month's box, Console Wars, like I just said. If you're still unsure of what Loot Crate is, it is a monthly subscription that you can subscribe to. You get an assorted I can't talk today, assorted items of gamer and geek gear every month. It's really cool. 6 to 8 items for $13 every month. That's not hard to beat. But anyways, let's get opening the box. Sing the slicing song with me. Slice, let's slicing open the box. Alright. Pretty cool slicing song. Change it up. Now the first thing that's on top of the box is the manual, which tells you what's inside of the box. It gives you a little bit of information on each item inside the box, and this is what it looks like. Start from the top. Not start from the bottom. Console Wars. Let's go up here. Oops, sorry. And then we have an Xbox One and a PlayStation 4 playing chess. And it's pretty cool. Let's take a peep inside. Some pretty cool things in here. So, like always, I'm going to read this for myself. And let's see here. The first thing I see on top, there is this gel bracelet. Like, those little jelly bracelets. On one side it says gamer, and on the other side it says geek. So you won't have to have multiple personalities, and you don't have to choose just one. So if you're a geek and a gamer, or different ones, you can be both at the same time. So here it is. Gamer on one side, and geek on the other side. It's pretty cool. Actually, I know, you know what? I'm gonna wear that right now. Show my support. Yeah. The next thing, it's a shirt. Oh my gosh. Then there's another shirt. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's see here. That is beautiful. Okay, check this out. Start from the top. Let me see mine at the top? Alrighty. That's pretty cool. Please excuse my family in the background. That's a pretty cool shirt. I think I got the whole thing. Did I? I'm so sorry if I didn't. But that's pretty cool. If you guys ever seen, it's like another Star Wars shirt. If you've ever had a PSP and played the Star Wars game, it looks exactly like that. You have like your little aircrafts that's flying around, and you have like the little army people. I'm sorry, I know they're not army people. I don't watch Star Wars that much. I like Star Wars, but I'm not like a psycho crazy fan. But this shirt is pretty cool. And it has like Xbox over here and PS4 over there, just like a huge war. It's supposed to be console war, so it's like they're fighting over who's the best, pretty much. That's a pretty cool shirt. Let's set this over here. And the next thing I see, I think these go together, if I'm not mistaken. Looters gym up to the next level. Inner gems, great tasting energy. And they're like a chocolate charge. There's 15 calories in each. B vitamins, caffeine. I think these are like little, I'm just gonna call them coffee bites. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, it contains caffeine, B vitamins, and a unique energy blend. So this little paper thinking about her. Yeah, pretty cool superhero. And there's a coupon for $1 off. And this is what these look like, the little Energins. These actually look pretty good. I can definitely use these in the morning time. But you're only supposed to eat 3 at a time, no more than that. Otherwise, you'll be up for the rest of your life. Oh, and this is a shirt woot. It's a $5 off coupon for the shirt that I just showed you. That's who they're from. So I'm going to cover up my code because you do not need to see that. And yeah, nothing really to see, but yeah. Next we have a magnet. That's pretty cool. Legends never die. And it has a picture, oops, there we go, of the old game systems. Oh my gosh, if you guys ever had like a Game Boy, I had a Game Boy a long time ago, and it was like the greatest thing you could ever have as a kid. A Game Boy, you know, you just walk down the street playing your Game Boy, pew 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 pew, and the kid's like, oh my gosh, she has a Game Boy. And like, yeah, I have a Game Boy, so it's pretty cool. And how sweet is that? There's a candy cane from Loot Crate. I love you guys. Candy canes are the freaking best. These things are dope little things. Dope canes. That's what I call them. That's cute. Thank you, Loot Crate. The next thing we have are some grippets. Grippets. Okay, they are for your controller for the PS4 or the Xbox One or Xbox 360, PS3, it doesn't matter. And there's 2 of each, obviously, for the little joystick part. One's pair is black and the other pair is blue. And that's what those look like. Come on, camera, don't fail me now. And I like those. I'll probably mix like both of those together just because I'm a weird, crazy lady that likes to mix things together because why not? Gasp! Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, for all of you, what was it called? This is Catbug. For all you Bravest Warrior fans, brace yourself because this is too adorable. Catbug and the little bear. I'm so sorry I forgot the bear's name. I'm so sorry. But I love Catbug. And for all you Bravest Warrior fans, I'm sure you would too. So that's what this looks like. And it's a sticker, obviously. I'm Catbug! From the Bravest Warriors. I love the Bravest Warriors, it's so cute. And the last thing we have in the box is this wonderful, fantastic, creative activity set. My Little Pony. So I know a lot of people are crazy about My Little Pony things, and this is a tin can, like I just said. It includes 2 figural erasers, 2 pencils, and stickers. And here we are. You gonna show it, camera? That's what it's going to be inside, I'm assuming. Maybe not the exact same thing, but you get the idea. And this is what the can looks like. You gotta admit, that's really cute. So let's open this. Set that in here. Grab my trusty knife. Please be careful if you're handling a knife opening this. Alright.
Get off my finger!
And then we have let's open it up inside. Oh, isn't that precious? We have, oops, okay. Like I said, 2 My Little Pony pencils, I'm sorry. And this is what the pencils look like. There's 2 of those. They're not very big, they're about this size. They're cute. Put one in my backpack, give one to my best friend, because I know she loves My Little Pony a lot. And these are definitely going on my amazing wall in the background. My Little Pony stickers. I know a lot of people that would love Rainbow Dash. That is too cute. Definitely. I think, are those bubbles? I think those are bubbles, or I'm just seeing things because I'm a crazy lady that sees things. Like I said, why not? And, oh my gosh, these are too cute. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys look. Here, I'll take it out of the packet so you can see it better. Okay, so here's one. Oh, I can't erase with this. I have to use it as like a little vinyl character. I'm sorry if I said it wrong. But could you use this as an eraser? I couldn't use it as an eraser. And this is what the other one looks like. Let's open her up. Oh, it basically looks just like this. Oh my god, I dropped it. I'm so sorry. Okay, but this is what the other one looks like. It looks exactly the same as the one I just showed you, except with orange hair. It's the exact same size, big head, little body. They're really cute. They both have wings in the back. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, you can. Little wings, cute hair, adorable little I'm sorry, I'm terrible at saying the word. Little vinyl faces, you know, with like little black eyes. Creepy. But they're cute. So that is all that's in the box, you guys. I actually love this. I want to know what side you guys are on. So, if you're on PS4 or Xbox One, let me know down below. If you like this video, you know what to do. Thumbs it up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a Misguided family member and go on many more adventures with us. And I want to let you guys know, have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!